Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm unboxing another package again, so let's start. Oops. Let's start with this one first. So this is the GQ magazine from Japan, and the cover is none other than BTS, of course. And they look so gorgeous in here. So we ordered it via Aladdin, as always, because cheaper and faster shipping. Okay, look. They look so amazing. Let me just... Okay. Let's go to their page. Okay. You look so pretty. Oh. They look so powerful. They look so, expensive. And I really love this photo shoot of them. Japan always like get the best concert or theme whenever they have a photo shoot to do. I think that's all. Just a few pages. Yeah. Okay, let's proceed to the main event. As you can see in the title, it's the 2019 Memories. Yep, Rivers is still not shipping in our country, so we have to use another forwarding company. And this is what we ordered. Thank you. It's like a mini premium photo, and it has a stand, and this is how it looks like. This is from Billboard, I guess. Yeah, because of the trophy. Okay, then let's go to the DVD. I wanted to get the Blu-ray, but it's too expensive. So they've been so consistent with the packaging. This has been like this for like 3 years, I think. It's orange salmon. I don't know what the color is, but it's close to that. So this is how it looks like. Weather Universe Army. On this side, Memories. Oops, Memories. Please focus. Okay. And at the back, okay, let's start. Oops, let me just... Okay. By the way, it's magnet, so the cover will not just open if you put it on your shelf, so don't worry. Okay. It always has this styro to protect the pages, and this is... oh wow, nice. I actually don't remember the inclusion, besides the photo card, of course. Oh, gee. Oh, it's a folding thingy. Wow, so nice. At the back. Oh, it's so nice. And this is Special Memories book. It's just a notebook. Oh, nah. Whoa. So nice. They even put the event. See, February 10, 2019, 2019 Grammy Awards. Next one is this in Fukuoka. Oh, wow. TME. It's so hard to. I'm sorry. I'm just going to do it faster so you won't get bored. This is in Hong Kong. This was in March, okay. Hong Kong. 4 days in Hong Kong. Is this Armypedia? Oh, yeah, right. Oh, Bangkok. The last time I saw that. Okay. I'm just going to browse faster because there are so many events that happened on 2019. Okay. It's so nice. Okay. Ooh. Yoongi. Yoongi. I rarely get Yoongi, I think. So, yep. Yoongi. And go to flip the pages. Let me just. Okay. Let me just do it quickly. Wow, that's nice. This is nice. Is it? Let me just move it up. Okay. Whoa. Wait, I love this art too. Is this plastic? Because it's bent every page. with the members is bent. Bonjour. Whoa. I know it. Oh. I'm not even at the half. Let's do it quickly. See, it's bent. You see? I don't know why. Sesame cookies. Wow, baby G. See, it's bent. Oh. And these are the CD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yep, this is the Memories of 2019. And let me just put it back. Okay. Okay. Yoongi, where are you? Jean. Thank you for watching.